guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Hobby Lobby haul. My mom and I went into Hobby Lobby last weekend and we were looking for some craft items for some tutorials that we have coming up. So we ended up hitting the mother lode since they have a lot of their fall stuff on sale right now. I think all of their fall stuff is at 40%, and then they had a bunch of stuff in their clearance section. So of course we picked out a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to show you what we found. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because you definitely don't want to miss out on any future videos that we put on this channel. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I do have everything that we got in this little bag here. I do apologize in advance for the bag crinkling. Some of this stuff, it can't be avoided, so I apologize. But I'm just going to go ahead and reach in and pick out stuff and show you what we found. So this first one is a bundle of 3 natural colored raffia. These were regularly $5.99 and they were 40% off, I believe. I think it was 40. And so we picked up a pack of this because this comes in handy all the time for any fall, Halloween, any type of autumn craft. This is what you want. Also in that same vein is this, what is this called? This is just like a burlap, not necessarily a ribbon, but like, I don't know, it's just like a whole roll of burlap. I've been searching for burlap for a while, and apparently none of my craft stores have it. We did find bolts of it at Hobby Lobby, so now I know where to go if I need larger quantities. But this I think will work for us right now. This was $5.99 and it was 40% off as well, since this is included in there. It's got the fall packaging on it, even though you could technically use burlap all year round for anything and everything. So we picked up 1 roll of this. And then we also, because a lot of their scrapbooking, paper supplies, all that kind of stuff, the paper studio was it 50%? I don't know, it was some ridiculous amount. I'm pretty sure it was 50% off. So we picked up 2 of these little bundles of the jute twine. You get 20 yards. They're regularly $2.99, so we paid $1.50 each. And you get quite a bit in here, so that was a great deal. Next up, we visited the fabric section since I was looking for some white. I didn't know what kind of fabric I wanted. I just wanted something kind of soft. I think this is a flannel material. It's very soft. But this was on sale. We just got 1 yard of it and it is just plain white. I think this was $4.49 for a yard of plain white flannel. Next up are these set of, I think there's 6 in here. These are some wood die cut phrases for fall. I think you get thankful, grateful, and blessed. So obviously these are great for any type of crafts that you have in mind. These were $3.99 and they were 40% off, so we thought that was a great deal since you get 2 of each in there. We also needed to pick up some yellow paint, so we picked up 1 bottle of the Ceram Coat in bright yellow by Delta acrylic paint. Also grabbed some more of the mini glue sticks. These I think were $5.99 and were not on sale this week, but we went ahead and bought them anyway since we were running out. You get 50 in here, so that was pretty good deal. They last us quite a while, so we went ahead and grabbed those. And then in the fall section, they also have these little, I don't know if these are burlap or linen. They're these little tags that are already, they're not embroidered. I'm not sure if this is just like an iron-on with some stitching around them, a little grommet, and then a little tag. You can attach this as a gift. You can put this on a craft, whatever you want to do with them. You get 3 in a pack, and I have another one that has more Halloween terms and they're orange, except I don't know where they are because they're not in the bag. So Hopefully I find them. But in this pack you get Thankful, Blessed, and Grateful, which are really cute. And then the next bit of stuff that we got are the clearance items. So we found a bunch of the felt squares. So I picked up 4 of these black and white printed ones. I thought these were cute. These were 19 cents each. So they got the little orange tags on them. These were really cute. I don't quite know what I'm going to do with them yet, but they were screaming like Beetlejuice or Halloween something, so we'll figure it out. And then they had just one of this plain purple one. This was also 19 cents. The difference with this one though is this is like a really thick felt compared to other felt squares that they sell. So I don't know if this is like a more special one or what, but I like the color of the purple on this. So I went ahead and grabbed the one that they had. They also had 2 of these flat leather string, I guess. I picked one up in, oh, they both say brown, but one's definitely black and one's brown. So we got these little things. These were originally $10.99 and they were $2.74. Hopefully that's showing up. You get 25 yards of each. I thought this would come in handy. I do a lot of different crafts and costumes and all that kind of stuff, so I thought these would come in handy at some point. And then the last crafty items that I picked up are some of the Paper Studio spare parts line. They had 2 of the numbers. These were originally $4.99 a piece. I paid $1.24. I really like the font on these. These remind me of like an old hotel type of thing. But these are really cute. You get 3 of each number, so I picked up 2 of those. And then this last one was the only one that they had. I went ahead and grabbed it because I do really like the font. And these are the alphas that go along with the numbers. These were originally $4.99 and I paid $1.24. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!